Hey there, Epic Parents. This is Coach Kim here again. First, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being a subscriber to the Epic Parenting Academy channel. I appreciate you being here. And your commitment to becoming a more effective parent already tells me a lot of great things about you. And your kids deserve this. Did you know that beyond these YouTube videos, though, I host live parenting workshops in my Epic community? These are interactive sessions, so they allow us to take a deeper dive into specific challenges that you're facing. And if you're live, we can actually provide personalized guidance. And if you missed the live, you can also find the replays in my community. Plus, my community gives you access to powerful courses, and they each have bite-sized videos, like 10 minutes or less, and they're designed for busy parents like you. These courses are their target specific behaviors with practical step-by-step guidance that you can implement immediately. And I've intentionally kept them concise because I know your time is valuable. So you can get in and get exactly what you need and get on with your back to your busy day. And for parents that are looking for more comprehensive support, I've created something called the Hybrid Coaching Program, which is it's a step-by-step system that guides you through strengthening all four pillars of your parenting foundation. And I have found that when parents focus on these fundamental elements, so many challenging behaviors, they just simply disappear on their own. And families who have joined this program experience incredible transformation, often turning around their entire household dynamic in just a matter of a few weeks as they apply these principles consistently. There is a lot of great stuff in my community. And most importantly, I make myself accessible. There is something to be said about being able to ask questions and get them answered quickly. If that interests you, the link to join my Epic community is going to be down in the description below. Now come see what you're missing beyond YouTube. Oh, but speaking of YouTube, be sure to check out the playlist that I've created specifically for subscribers. And it includes a quick solutions, the common challenges, and a little deeper dive into each of those epic pillars. Thanks again for being part of this journey. And together, we're creating stronger families and more confident parents. I will see you in the next video, or better yet, in my live workshop this month. See you there.